Sublimation is when solid state is directly converting into a gaseous state. That is our sublimation. Now let us understand that why the solid will directly changing into gaseous state without converting into liquid. On heating sublimable solid, there are some of the solids, not all solids are sublimable. Some of the solids are sublimable. They are naphthalene balls, ammonium chloride, all these are sublimable solids. So when you are heating them, they will converting into a gas. So sublimable solids have very low force of attraction in between the particles. We all know that solid is a tightly packed structure, it is a compact structure, but in sublimable solid the force of attraction is very low. Generally solids are observing high force of attraction, but this particular solids are having less force of attraction. So on heating, what will happen when we heat it? This attraction in between the particles will overcome. This particle will overcome the attraction in between them and they try to escape from the surface. From the surface, what all solid atoms or particles are there, they will try to escape because already the force of attraction is very less. So when we will heat it, they will overcome the attraction and they will escape from the surface. And when they will escape, they will become free and this solid will directly converting into gas without converting into liquid. So the main reason behind this is they have very low force of attraction and when we will heat it, they will overcome this attraction and they will escape from the surface. So that is why we can observe sublimation in sublimable solids. It can only happen in sublimable solids, not in all the solids.